It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
And battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, today's question of the day will be more on functions and some part of geometry and cubes, right? So today I will be discussing about the important points of important questions of functions, some questions regarding mensuration, right? So I'll take down this as geometry, and I will be explaining you questions relating to cubes. So today's class is very important. So do try to watch this session, right? Because of Deco, for a technical examination, right, you cannot remember the entire non-technical part at once. So that's why I'm dealing small parts every day, right? So that you can inject in your mind very easily. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, what is the difference between plus and iconic, sir? And what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? In iconic, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. Now, how this coach will be helpful? Now, he will be giving you a one-to-one live mentorship, right? So this is the main advantage of iconic subscription, right? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing and you'll get the best solutions to overcome that. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, so that if your mistakes are identified, automatically your score will be boosted, right? They are rectified. Now this is the most advantageous thing of a personal coach, right? Because 90% of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus but we are not able to solve the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed, right? And again, in iconic subscription you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes. So for core branch engineering students, so this will be damn helpful as a career backup by completing all your software courses. Of course, right, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now these are the features in plus and iconic. Now how much you have to invest? So if you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me. And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, the price will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, these prices are valid only up to May 31st, 11:59 p.m. From June 1st, 12 sharp, right? So there is a price hike of 20%, right? So see here, this is the price after the hike. So 1 year price will be 39,265. Now previously it was 32,126. Those who are serious to join, right, do try to use this offer, and do try to use this period of getting the subscription at less price. Okay, and yes, we have introduced one more category called 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at GATE 2023. Now this will be damn helpful, right, to get their optimized way of preparing for the examination. And yes, for iconic, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. We heard your concerns and we have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. Now previously the 1 year price was 55,886. Now it is 52,000 only, right, where you'll get all the features of iconic and notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? You will be getting physical notes which will be delivered to you by the first week of July. Yes, and as you all know, across all the categories there is a price hike up to 20%, right, which will be starting from June 1st, 12 sharp. So do try to subscribe to Unacademy using with my code NLN10, right? Those who are serious to start their preparation journey. Yes. And again, we are going to divide the GATE and ESE category into four separate subscriptions, right? And those who want to watch all these 6 branches content, yes, you can subscribe now. From June 1st, this categorization will happen. Done. As you all know, as I said that those whomsoever subscribes to 1 year and above iconic subscription, you will be provided with free physical notes which will be delivered to you, right? Prepared by topmost educators in India. Yes. Chalo, let's start the question then. I will solve this question. And the next question you have to solve for me here. Okay. Done. Okay. Now observe the question there. For a cubic function, so that point is also given clearly, for a cubic function. So automatically, how many roots will be there for cubic function? 3 roots will be there. Yes. F of x. F of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to f of 3 is equal to f of 2. And f of 4 is equal to 14, and you are asked to find the value of f of 15, it seems. अब ध्यान से सुनो, first of all you have to frame a general equation for this, unless until you cannot frame an answer there. So with this things I will frame an equation, right? F of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to f of 3 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 2, it seems. So how can I write down my general equation? So see here, I'll write down my general equation like this. So this is purely based upon your logic only, ma. F of x, 1 second, ma. F of x is equal to, I'll take a constant term called k. Now see here, observe here x. So cubic function means I will be having 3 roots, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Hope so you got my point there. Why I wrote this, you will be easily getting plus 2. Now you closely observe there, I will substitute. So I am writing for f of 3. If I substitute 3 there, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. So my f of 3 value will become 2. Hope so you got my point there. So did you understand how I wrote my general equation? Yes, perfectly. Now what will be f of 4? I will write down f of 4. F of 4 is nothing but equal to this general equation only, k into, in the place of x I have to substitute 4. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3 plus 2. I have to find out this k value there. F of 4 value is nothing but given as 14. Now what will be the k value there? So this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. So finally 14 is equal to 3k. Is it 3k? No, 6k. 4 minus 2, 2 na, 6k plus 2. So what is my k value there? K is equal to, hope so you got my point there. Done. Chalo. Now you are asked to find out f of 5 value. So I will find out f of 5. F of 5 in the general equation is this nothing but called k into 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 5 minus 3 plus 2. In the general equation I have substituted the value there, and automatically your k value is equal to 2, that we have deduced it in the previous equation. So finally my answer will be equal to 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 2. Hope so you got my point there. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 2. What will be your answer here? Is it 50? Yes, it is 50. And my f of 5 value is nothing but equal to how much? 50. So in functions, there is no such exact procedure to solve the questions there. Using your general algebraic principles, arithmetic principles, you can easily solve the questions regarding functions. This is one such classic case. Chalo. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for the next question. I want you guys to solve this question here. So again, this is nothing but algebra based functions question. Let's see how many can solve this. So I never say that my procedure is the only way to solve the question. You can use a sophisticated procedure than me also. So your procedure might be so sharp than me, right? So do try this. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answers? Now see here, a function f is defined as f of a plus b is equal to f of a plus f of b. So I'll write down this 2ab here. So this is the point given there. Then f of 4, so I'll erase this here to not have any confusion. F of 4 is nothing but equal to 24. It is not 35, Patel. It is not 35. F of 4 is given as 24. Find the value of f of 15 is the question asked here. F of 15 matlab, so how to find out the value of f of 15 is nothing but the procedure. You can find out 8 and 7, add it. You can directly find out 14 plus 1, you can add it. So you have only f of 4 to find out this. Chalo, I'll write down like this. First of all, let me know whether I am right or wrong. So can I write down my f of 4 as like this? So why I wrote like this means at last finally my aim is to find out f of 15. So can I write down like this, f of 2 plus 2 is equal to f of 2 plus f of 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2, because a value is 2, b value is 2. Hope so clear. Now chalo, let's find out. Already you know f of 4 is 24. 24 is equal to 2 into f of 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So this will be 16. So f of 2 will be how much? 8. Okay. Now in what way this will be helpful to find out if I know f of 2? So my aim is to find out f of 14 and f of 1 ma. That is my aim there. My aim is to find out f of 14 and f of 1, then add those two together. So I know f of 2 now. Can I write down my f of 2 as like this? F of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus 1. So can I write down directly so that I can avoid all these extra writings there? 2 into f of 1 plus 2. And you already know this value as 8, 6. So f of 1 value will be equal to 3. Okay. So in order to find out 14, I will find out 6 and 8 ma. 6 and 8 will be very easy for me because I know 4. 4 plus 4, 8. In order to find out 6, I know 1. And I know, okay, I know 1. Let's see. I'll do it. I'll find out f of 6 now. F of 6 is nothing but equal to, so I can write down like this because I know 4, I know 2. Am I right or wrong? F of 4, f4 plus 2, because I know 4 value and I know 2 value, so that's why I'm doing this. So again, do not find out any other value to make it so clumsy there. So 2 into 4 into 2. Everybody know how much is f of 4? Just now you have calculated this. 24. How much is f of 2? F of 2 is just now you have done 8 plus 2 2s are 4, 16. Now how much will be this value there? 24 plus 16, 40. F of 6 is nothing but called 48. Now let's find out f of 8. So I'll take one more slide, 1 second man. I'll take one more slide. I'll find out f of 8 now. Because I have to find out f of 14. F of 8 is nothing but equal to f of 4 plus 4. And everybody know about this. So I can write down directly 2 into f of 4 plus 2. F of 4 is how much ma? 24. So this is how much? 48. So f of 4 is nothing but, f of 8 is nothing but equal to 50. Is it 50? No, yaar. Plus 2 into 4 into 4 na. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 48 plus 32 is nothing but how much? 80. 48 plus 32 is nothing but equal to 80. Now I will find out f of 14. I know 6, I know 8. F of 14 is nothing but equal to f of 8 plus f of 6. So f of 8 plus f of 6 plus 2 into 8 into 6. You already know f of 8 is nothing but equal to 80. F of 6 is how much? Is this 48? Yes. Now this is how much, man? 16 6 are, is it 96? Add those all together. 80 plus 40, 120. 120 plus 90, 210. 218, 226, 224, sorry. And finally come to our value there. I have to find out f of 15. F of 15 can be written as f of 14. Of course, I am writing little bit elaboratively, right? Those who know the logic there, they can crack up and they can reduce the equations also. F of 14 plus f of 1 plus 2 into 14 into 1. How much is f of 14? Just now you have calculated 224. F of 1 is nothing but equal to 3, that we have calculated here only. F of 1 is equal to 3 plus 14 2s are 28. So finally, what is the answer there here? 224 plus 30, 254, 255. Am I right or wrong? So finally, my question is to find out f of 50. Now this is 255 plus 1. It is 2 root of 266. Root of 266 is nothing but 256, sorry. 256 is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 16? Yes, it is 16. This is my answer there. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Perfectly done. See, so how I have solved this question, because see here, last year and previous last year there are questions on functions where it was asked for 2 marks, right? Already I have solved some functions questions in the previous classes also, in which was asked in GATE 2022 in different branches, right? So in the same way, now same one more functions based question. So I am expecting you guys to answer this question here. One of my favorite question there. I asked it in many forums also, this one. So you have to make an equality index there. If you can make an equality index there, automatically you can solve this question fatafat here. I can damn surely say this. The answer by. So again, this is a cubic equation, right? Because there is x cube there. So what is the point given there? They go, right? I'll write down the equation. Then we can have clarity. F of x is given as x cube minus px square plus qx minus r, and the value of this is also given. F of x minus 4 value is given there. F of x minus 4 value is nothing but given as x cube plus lx square plus mx minus 64, then the value of 16p plus 4q plus r is the question asked. In generally, I'll write down in blacking. If I substitute f of x minus 4 in this equation, what happens? We will check there. F of x minus 4, I'll write down like this. In the place of x cube, I have to substitute x minus 4 whole cube. I'll write down this one. Minus p into x minus 4 whole square plus q into x minus 4 minus r. So I'll elaborate this equation. My a cube so 3ab minus 3a square b. Am I right or wrong? Yes. 3a square b. 3a square b means 12 x square. Now 3ab square is nothing but equal to for 4 16 3s are 48x minus 64. Am I right or wrong? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is completely minus p into minus px square. So next one is this one will be how much more? 2 8 na? Okay, 16. So this will become minus 16p minus 2ab into minus p will become plus p. So this will be 8px plus qx minus 4q minus r. And already according to the given question there, now see your f of x minus 4 value is this one ma. So in the LHS part, I'll write down this one. X cube plus lx square plus mx minus 4 minus 64. This is the point given there. Then by this, you closely observe there, minus 64 gets cancelled off. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. X cube and x cube gets cancelled off. Now what will be the leftover part? In the place of x square, what is the leftover thing? So I have to write down a little bit elaboratively this one. Let's go back and then we will write down all those things together, which is nothing but equal to, now see here, I'll write down this one, x cube. Are there any x squares? 1 is there, so minus 12 plus p x square Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now plus any x are there? Yes, there are many x's are there. So 48 plus 8p plus q x is there. Am I right or wrong? Now come to the next one. Any normal values are there? Any normal values are there? Next one, x is there, so this one px square is done, minus 16p minus 4q minus r minus 64. Okay, this is the point given there, and they are LHS will be this one, x cube minus lx square plus mx minus 64. Apart from this, what are the values that I have to taken out? So see here, the leftover values are, so LHS RHS will get cancelled off, so there will be only one thing left of 16p plus 4q plus r is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? Because see here, x cube will get cancelled, this one will get cancelled, mx will get cancelled, minus 64 gets cancelled. Now this is the only one will be left over. This is the question asked. 16p plus 4q plus r value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 0? Exactly 0. I hope so. I am clear. Perfectly done. Let's come back. So let's go to the next question. Yes. So 3 more geometry questions were left over in the previous session, ma. So this was asked in previous GATE examination. Of course, not the exact question, same type of question, right? So try this. So functions, most of the questions PYQs which were asked in different test series, I have solved all those questions. So you are aiming at CSE GATE examination. Yes, you have to focus more on general aptitude section because it is little bit 2x tougher than the other branches. So this year mechanical, civil and CS were too tough. I mean, nobody got 15 by 15, I think so. Compared to EEC, these branches are paper was little bit on higher note. Any answers for this? 10 seconds more. Shall I solve it? You closely observe there. What is the question asked there? A semicircle is inscribed in a quarter circle as shown in the figure with radii OA and OB equal to, now this radii is nothing but equal to 2 root 21. I'll write down here. This is 2 root 21 mark. Okay, 2 root 21. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. First of all, this is the center of the semicircle inscribed in this. I'll write down red ink. Now from here to here, O A B C, I'll take down this as C. I'll take down this as O dash. O dash C value will be equal to R. I'll write down in red ink, red ink. This R is red R. Now this is red R. Now you closely observe there. This is also the radius of the semicircle. This is also the radius of the semicircle. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now this is R and this is R. Now by this, what can I say there? Oh, yeah, I'll take down this value as D. I'll take down this value as E. I'll take down this value as F. Now you closely observe there O dash EF. O dash EF is nothing but a square. Yes, perfectly. In this square, now what is this value there? This is nothing but called diagonal of the square. So diagonal of the square will be how much, ma? Is it root 2r? I'll take down this as yes or no? Yes, root 2r. Now the answer is, I'll write down first of all this one, ma, quarter circle ka area. I'll find out this one, quarter circle ka area. Now this is square. Quarter circle ka area is nothing but equal to pi r square by 4. I'll find out the area of this. and already pi value is nothing but given as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into r value is nothing but equal to how much? 2 root 21 whole square. So what will be this entire value, ma? So this 4 will get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So automatically this will be 66 centimeter square. Now this is the area. Now I will find out the semicircle area. First of all, I have to know this red R value there. So I'll write down the area first of all. Semicircle area is nothing but called pi r square by 2. After finding out this value, I have to subtract this, then I'll get the answer there. Now, again one more point there. Now see here, this will be the, now see here, from here to here, this will be the, I'll write down in blue ink. This will be the radius of the quarter circle. This will be the radius of the quarter circle. I hope so you got my point there. Now, देखो by this value is nothing but how much? 2 root 21 ma. Okay, fine. Now observe a triangle there. O dash D. O dash D. O dash D is a triangle there. अब ध्यान से सुनो. Everybody know this is a right angle because square there will be a right angle, and again diagonal of the right angle will be right. I mean, so sorry, this is a right angle in a square. Diagonal of the square will divide the angle at the vertex into two equal halves. Now this value will be equal to how much? 45 degrees. Everybody know about this. And again one more point, I will be taking down this. Now this, observe there closely. From the center of the quarter circle O, this CD is nothing but a chord in a quarter circle. So if you drop a perpendicular from the center of the quarter circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. R and R equal halves, and again will make 90 degrees with this. Now so see here, this angle from O dash to here, this will be again right angle. Am I right or wrong? And this is 45, this is 45, and you closely observe there, O dash D is nothing but a right angle triangle. In this, perpendicular sides are root 2r whole square plus r square. So this one is, I'll write down in reading because we have to find out all the red values now. Root 2r whole square plus r square is equal to right angle triangle 2 root 21. Now find out the r value there. Root 2r square is nothing but 3r square. Finally 3r square is equal to, this is whole square now. So automatically this will be how much? 4 into 21. So 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So what is your r square value? R square value is nothing but equal to 28. I'll substitute the same value here. 22 by 7 into अब बोलो बेटा 1 by 2 into r square, is it 28? Yes. So 7 ones are 7 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are. How much is this? Is it 44 centimeter square? Now see here, if you subtract these two things, automatically you will get the shaded area part. Shaded area part is nothing but equal to 22 centimeter square. I hope so you got my point there. Yes, 22 centimeter square. Done. Got my point there. So if you can little bit of innovativeness, automatically you can solve the question here. That I can damn surely say. So this question, try this question, right? Again, same type of question. Let ABCD be a rectangle with sides 15 and 20 as shown. Okay. Let M be a circle centered at A of the circle passing through F comma C and E. Find the length of the chord F is the question asked. Length of the chord F is the question asked. Any idea? Answers, right? So let M be a circle centered at A. So this is the center of the circle here. A. So what will be this? From A to F is nothing but called radius. Am I right or wrong? From A to E, I'll write down in separate ink. I'll write ink, right? Now this is radius from center. Now this is all from A to E is also radius. Sorry, from A to E is also radius. Let's come to the point there. Now I'll take down this as R. You are asked to find out EF length. How to make up this? Now you closely observe there from D to this point. Not this is not E. I'll take down separate point called O. What is this DO length? DO length is nothing but called right angle triangle 1520 400 plus 225 625. So my DO value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 25? My DO value is nothing but equal to 25. Okay, fine. Now from the center of the circle A, I will be this is also your diagonal only, right? I will be dropping a from the center of the circle onto the chord EF. I will be dropping a perpendicular from the center of the circle. Now this will make 90 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes. Now this will make 90 degrees. Now I will take down this point as X. Now you closely observe there XE is equal to XF. Both will be same now. So how to crack up this point there? Any idea? Any idea to crack up this question there? Now see here, this value. Yes, we are true. I am drawing it again. That's the point there. Drawing it again. This will be 90 degrees. Now I want this triangle value. How to do this? And this value has to be same. Shall I do like this? So these are perpendicular sides. XD square plus XA square is nothing but equal to 225. The next scenario, XA square plus XO square is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 400? Now these two values has to be same. These two values has to be same. XD minus XO value must be how much? Chalo, shall I write down like this? 225 minus 49 will be how much? 176. No, 225 minus any answer there that we can match up this. 225 minus 81. Now see here, on iterative basis, what I will do is I will take down this as 9 square. Let us see will it work out or not, then I will change it, right, if it is not working out. So 225 minus 81 will be how much? 144. So my xd square has to be 12 square. Only in that case it will become, because Pythagorean triplets na. So my xd value has to be 12. So if my xd value has to be 12, do value is 25. So xe value, xo value must be how much? It has to be damn surely 13. Is it working out? Let's see. Xa square is nothing but 81. And this is 169. Is it becoming see 81 plus 169 is nothing but how much? 250. This is 400 now. Where did we miss it? Did we missed out anything there? Now, of course, we can do like this also, ma. If I take XA 12, then what happens? Let's me check down there. 400 minus 144 will be how much? 256. 256. Yes, this will also work out now. Let's check this. Let's check this. So I'll change this. I'll change this. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Now I will take down this as 12 square. If I so see my iteration gone wrong now. If I take down this as 12 square, now this becomes how much? 9 square, 81. So this will be 9 now. This will be 12 now. Now you closely observe there. XA is 12 square. Now how much must be XO? XO has to be damn surely 16 square. Unless until it cannot become 25. This has to be 16. You closely observe there. Yes or no? Calculate this. 256 plus 144. Yes. Perfectly right. Now I am right. Right? Exactly happening this. So my AX square value will be how much? 12. Perfectly done. Now I can make my question very easily. What is the question asked? You are asked to find out chord length EF. Now observe there, triangle AXF is a right angle triangle where the perpendicular sides are 12 square plus fx square is equal to r square. Can you find out this radius value there? Yes or no? Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there, one more triangle, triangle AXE. Again 12 square plus XE square is nothing but equal to r square. Am I right or wrong? AE is nothing but r square, radius only. Is this radius given there somewhere? How can I find out my radius square then? Find the length of the chord, it seems. Did I miss out anything there? Did I miss out anything there? Let's erase this and find out. Any way to find out this one? Let me check down there. R. Yes, we are right. You are asked to find out chord length EF. Chord length EF. Arey bhai, right. Easy R. Easy R. Did we miss out anything there? Did we miss out anything? Diagonal AC is equal to R. Diagonal AC is equal to R. Okay, fine. So in what way this will be helpful there? Fine. This is also right, whatever he said. Diagonally, in what way this will be helpful then? So this is 12. Okay. So I can take down my R value as 24. Am I right or wrong? 12 na? This will also be from this side also, if you take, this will also be 12. Am I right? So my R value is 12. 24 plus, so can I take down like this? 24 square minus 12 square is equal to XE square. Now this might work out. Let's check that. 24 into 24 is 576 minus 144 is 432. 432 is nothing but equal to XE square. Now here also the same thing happens now. AE square is nothing but equal to 24 square this is x now, minus 12 square is equal to this is xf square ma, this is xe square, so which is nothing but 432. 432 plus 432 is nothing but here how much, so which will be ef value is nothing but equal to 2 into 432. Hmm, 37 into, again we missed out a point there, yaar. Again we missed out a point there, yaar. This DO value will not be 24 first of all. This is what we have done a mistake there. This is 25 na. DO value. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Perfectly done. Now we are right. 25 square, 25 square. Now what will be this value there? Calculate this. Now we are right now. Yes, yes. 625 minus 144 is nothing but 481. Yes, we are right now. 481. Now here also you will get 481. Now automatically this is nothing but 2 into 481. 2 into 481. So root of. So 2 into 481 is nothing but 2 into 37 into 13. Now this is your answer there. Perfectly done. And my option number C. Now I am exactly right. So our procedure is right. We have done it correctly only. There is no issue regarding this. I hope so clear. And chalo, is there any question left over? Yes, 2 more questions are left over here. I will solve this question. I try this question and let me know the answer there. 2 minutes. So we will solve more number of questions as it is weekend. Three identical cones with base radius r are placed on their base such that each is touching the other two, it seems. The radius of the circle drawn through their vertices is the question asked. No answer? Now, I'll draw the things there once. Observe it. Three identical cones of base radius are placed on their base so that each is touching the other two, it seems here. So I'll take down this one. These are three cones. Yes, these are touching like this. So that each is the radius of the circle drawn through their vertices is. Now you closely observe there, I'll draw this. Now these are the radius. Am I right or wrong? Now what will be this value there? Everybody know if I take one value this as r, now this will also be r and this total value will be 2r. Now how to find out this radius here? So I can do one more point. Observe this. If I draw a circle around this triangle, are you getting my point there here? Is it nothing but called circumcircle? Yes or no? Now in this, now I will find out the radius of the circumcircle. Everybody know how to find out radius of the circumcircle. R is equal to ABC by 4R. Now everybody know what type of triangle is there in the circle there? 4A my area. It is an equilateral triangle. Am I right or wrong? Equilateral triangle. A value is 2R. B value is 2R. C value is also 2R. Divided by 4 into area of the equilateral triangle is 4 into root 3 by 4 A square. 2R into 2R. So 2R, 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 2R gets cancelled. 4, 4 gets cancelled. And automatically your R is nothing but equal to how much? 2R by root 3. Small r, right? So is it larger than R or smaller than R? So it is larger than R, right? So the radius of this radius of this circle drawn through their vertices is larger than your original circle radius there. I hope so. You got my point there. Yes or no? Follow by yes. So let's solve some more questions here. Let's go with cubes question there, which I want to discuss with you. Since many days I am thinking to discuss with you. Let's see how many can solve this. Try this. Draw the diagram and I'll solve the question there. Two equidimensional cubes are joined face to face and are colored with red on all available open faces. One cube is divided into 8 equal pieces and the other cube is divided into 27 equal pieces. How many cubes have 3 sides colored? How many cubes have 3 sides colored? How many cubes have 2 sides colored? Any answers? Of course, those who can draw the diagram can easily answer the question, right? That's not a big deal. So see here again, I'll draw the diagram there. Just give me 1 second, I'll draw the diagram, then we can understand what we are doing it perfectly. Right? Now, observe here. Two equid are joined face to face and colored with red on all available faces. Matlab, when you join these two cubes, these face will be covered now automatically. This will not be painted. You have removed these two cubes. Well, this cube is cut down into 8 equal pieces. It seems means it will be in the format of 2 into 2 into 2, and the other cube is cut down in the format of 3 into 3 into 3. So by this format, you can now you closely observe there. There are only 8 cubes in this cube means अब देखो all the 8 cubes will be corners only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All the 8 cubes are corners only, right? So by this I can easily decide it. Now let me know the first question. How many cubes have 3 side colored, it seems? So how can you find out this now? Now automatically see here. This face is not painted. This is two face painted. This is two face painted. This is two face painted corner. This is two face painted corner. Similarly, this is also two face painted corner. Two face painted corner, two face painted corner, and two face painted corner. So see here, this 4 cubes are nothing but 3 face painted here, and this 4 cubes are 3 face painted here. So automatically, what will be the answer there? Totally 4 plus 4 combinedly together of the 2 cubes, and your answer is 8. Now, how many cubes have two side color? Where do you observe normally a two side colored cubes? On the edges? But ab dekho, this edge there will be only one face colored. This edge there will be only one face colored. This edge will be there only one face colored. Of course, right, you need not draw it also because all the corners only. This edge will be having one face, one face, one face, one face, right? See here. So out of this, only 8 edges will be having two face colored x minus 2. And in this there are no such called edge right? Edge face colored are not there, only corners are there, 4 corners, right? Am I right or wrong? So I can write down it as 4 here for this. So in the place of x I will substitute 3 for the right hand side cube. So 8 plus 4, your answer will be equal to 12. Will you accept this? Perfectly done. Let's see how many can solve this 11th one, least color, right? This will be a perfect question to answer there. You can just go back to the previous data and check there. Try it this 2 minutes. Of course, you can solve this question in 30 seconds. 40 seconds more beta. Any answer? Right? How many cubes have at least one side colored? It seems at least one side colored. Let's come back. At least one means it has to be minimum one. I have to eliminate 0. So maximum is 2 comma 3. I have to write down all these 3. I have to eliminate this. If you can find out this value and you can subtract from the total automatically, that will be the answer. There will be no zero face painted cubes, ma'am. Here, yes. First of all, inner core will be having there. I will find out this inner core, right? X minus 2 whole cube. Automatically x value is nothing but 3. So this one cube have zero face painted. Coming to next one, this face also doesn't have any face painted. So this face, only for this face I will find out the answer there. For this face, so this is the formula there, 1 minus x minus 2 into x minus 2, two-dimensional shape na. So automatically again here also 1. Apart from this, can you find out any? Yes, you can find out, right? Ab dekho, 4 edges will also have one face painted, right? So we are finding out 0 face painted, so no need of that, right? So finally done. So 2 face. Totally your answer is 2. By this, what can I say? Totally this is 27 plus 8 ma 35. 35 minus 2, that will be 33. So this 33 will be having at least one face painted. How many of you got this idea there to solve it easily? And your answer is 33. Is there any option 33? Yes, there is an option called 33. Now you can find out the remaining things very easily. How many cubes have no side colored? Now already we have calculated this. No side colored cubes ka value kitna tha? 2. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option called C. How many sides have only one sided colored? Where do you find out first of all one side colored? On the faces. Now this cube completely corners only. I'll come back to this. So only 5 faces will be having one face painted. 5 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 is the formula there. And again you will be having 4 edges with one face painted. So I'll write down 4 into x minus 2. Now this value is nothing but equal to 5 and this value is nothing but equal to 4. So automatically what will be your answer there? 9. So totally 9 cubes will be having one side colored there. D. Perfectly written there without any ambiguity. Hope so clear. Done. So chalo, let's solve the next one, and I am expecting you guys to draw the diagram there. So I'm not expecting you to the answer there. So I'll write down like this. I'm expecting diagram there. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Draw the diagram. Find out which corner has which color, which edge has which color, which face has which color. Of course, finding out face colors is very easy. 40 seconds more. Five seconds, ma. Any answer? No. Yeah, just draw the diagram, yeah. So see here, I'll draw the diagram. 99.9% questions, if you can draw the diagram, you can easily get the answer. I'll take a black slide and I'll draw it so that it's a little bit you can understand. Sorry. It will be a very good looking thing. 1 second. Done. Let's see this. Now, let's come back. There is a cube in which one pair of opposite faces is painted red, it seems. Let us suppose take, if I draw red on top surface, my bottom surface will be opposite and this will be red here. Come back to the next one. Second pair of opposite faces painted blue. So left hand side blue matlab right hand side will also be blue. Come to next one. Third pair of opposite faces is painted green. So automatically, so if back surface is green, your front surface, so to have a clear cut understanding, I'll round off this. This is your front surface. Now what happened, what you have done for this cube? This cube is now cut into 216 smaller but identical cubes, it seems. 216 smaller but identical cubes means, so it is in the fashion of 6 into 6 into 6. On x-axis there will be 6 cubes, y-axis 6 and z-axis 6. That is the point there. Now first of all, what happened, you have cut down this. So let us find out at what place what color will you observe there. Let's come with corners. First of all, I'll write down corners. In this corner, what are the colors that you observe there? Top red, front green, side blue. So I'll write down in chronology order: blue, green, red. So one cube. Now here again right hand side blue, top green, top red, left back green, again blue, green, red. So automatically here, is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. Here, is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. 4. Is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. So 5. Here again blue, green, red. Here blue, green, red. Here blue, green, red, red. So all the 8 cubes will be having the same pattern of color: blue, green, red. Let's come to the next one. So let us find out the number of edges with having different colors. Then we will calculate the number of cubes having that color later. So to have little bit more easiness. Let's suppose take what is the color that you observe in this edge there. I will be writing down identified. Top red, front green. So it is green, red. 1. Now come to here. This one. Top red, this is blue, blue, red, again 1. Now here it is blue, red, second cube with blue, red. Here green, red, one more cube with green, red. Here green, red, again one more cube with green, red. Now here again green, red, again one more cube with green, red. Here blue, green, yes, blue, green, observe the things there, blue, green, one more cube is there. Now here front green, side blue, again second cube with blue, green. Here again green, blue, third cube. Now here blue, red, third cube. Now here blue green fourth cube. Now here up red side blue blue red 4. So there are four edges with those respective colors, and later on you can find out the number of cubes there. You need not worry. So faces matlab whatever the face color, that will be 2 green, 2 red, 2 blue. That I can easily find out there. I will solve 2 questions and you have to solve me the next 2 questions. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's come to the question there. How many small cubes are there with no red paint at all? First of all, if you remove corners, edges, faces, the inner core doesn't contain any color. Leave about red. It doesn't contain blue, green also. So can I take those values? Yes, I can take those values. So as x, y, z are equal values, I will take down x minus 2 whole cube. So x value is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 cube is nothing but equal to 64. Plus, let's come back. How many corners doesn't have red? All the corners have red. So I must take down 0. How many edges doesn't have red? How many edges doesn't have red? Now see here, these 2 edges have red. Blue green doesn't have red. So automatically 4 edges doesn't have red. 4 into, and my formula is x minus 2. Now dekho, x is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2 4, and this is equal to 16. Coming to one face painted, how many faces doesn't have red? 4 faces. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 4 faces. Blue 2, green 2. 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. This is the value there. Now you closely observe there. What is the answer there? This value is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. This is the value there. Calculate this. 6 plus 64. 64 plus 64 is how much? 128. 138. 144 plus 6 150. Are we making any mistake there? Oh, okay. This is 64. I have added this. 64 plus 64 is 128. 138, 144, and your option number B satisfies that. As I have solved this question, why don't you try this 17th one? How many small cubes are there with at least 2 different colors? Means your minimum has to start with 2 and your maximum is 3. So you have to write down these 2. You have to eliminate 1, 0. Done. Try see this diagram and try it. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Twenty seconds more. So you have to eliminate this. But you got the answer there, seriously. So let's find out this. Either you can eliminate this or you can write down this. Ab dekho. First of all, you know this zero phase painted is nothing but called 64. In the previous question, you have calculated this. Now let us find out one phase painted. Where do you observe one phase painted normally? You observe one phase painted on the face. Am I right or wrong? So how many are there? 6 faces are there. 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So finally you closely observe that your x value is equal to 6 now. So 6 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 64 is nothing but equal to 0 and one face painted na. How many small cubes are there with at least two different colors now? Yes, all these have two different colors only now. Perfectly done. I can write down this 12 into x minus 2. So x value is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 8 is how much? 48 plus 8 is 56. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option called 56. Am I right or wrong? So you have to eliminate this 0 comma 1. In this 0 comma 1, are we missing out anything there? Yes, here we are missing down this 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. This is how much ma? 4 4 96 ma. This value is 96 na. You can easily solve. This is 96. Out of 216. Out of 216. Remove 96. How much? 120 or 64. Remove karo. Yes, it is 56. From total, remove this value 216. You will get the final answer there, and you will get the final answer as 56 only here. We are right. Come to this one, next one. So how many small cubes are there without any face painted? This is what we have solved numerous times in this question only. X minus 2 whole cube. So in the place of x, we have to substitute 6. So 6 4s are 64. I mean 4 into 4 into 4 64. Now I want you guys to answer this. How many cubes are there with only red? Only red and green. I'll solve this. Only red and green on this faces, it seems. So only red and green. Is it this? Yes, completely. So can I take down this? Only these 4 faces have only red and green. 4 into x minus 2, and my x value is equal to 6. For 6, is it 16? Yes, it is 16. And your option number D. Let's come to this 20th one. Let us see how many can solve this. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Seconds more. Any idea to solve this? Li. What is the question there? How many small cubes are there showing only green or only blue? Only green faces will be having 2. Only only blue faces will be having 2. So automatically one face painted cubes only now. So automatically you have to multiply this with 2. Only green 2, only blue 2. So 4 into 4 because x value is 6 now. So what will be the answer there? 4 cube, is it 64? Yes, it is 64 and your option number A. Done. So little bit, if you can imagine the question there, this is one such purest question where only your imagination will work out. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes to draw the diagram there. Those who draw the diagram, and also you can answer 21 if you wish there. Then I'll draw the diagram there. Forty seconds more, beta. Any idea to solve? So what's the answer there? A cube of 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter is kept in the corner of a room and painted in 3 different colors. Painted in 3 different colors. Each face in one color. Okay. A cube of 7 into 7 into 7 is kept in the corner of a room and painted in 3 different colors. Each face in one color, it seems. The cube is now cut into 343 smaller but identical pieces. So I'll take down a slide. I'll take a blank slide, so that's why I can draw the diagram perfectly to understand, to have a clear cut understanding, right? So let me draw it. How many of you got this? Done. Now see here, you have pushed this cube in the corner of a room, it seems. In the corner of a room means, let us suppose take this face will not be painted, this face will not be painted, and the down surface will not be painted. Observe the corner of a room. Imagine it, right? If you push it, down face will not be painted, right face will not be painted. If you push it in the right corner, right, back face will not be painted. Let us suppose take right remaining colors, right? So let us suppose take red, green and blue. So front face blue I'll take down like this. Now closely observe there. I will draw all the things carefully. Now let us go with corners. Now observe there, this corner is not at all painted, ma. It is zero phase painted. Now see, this cube is now cut down 343 means it is cut down into 7 into 7 into 7. XYZ has 7 number of cubes, right? Right. I hope so you got my point there. Now in this cube, in this corner cube, how many faces are painted? Only one face. You closely observe there. No paint, no paint, blue. Now come to here. Top it is painted, front it is painted, side is not painted. It is a two face colored. Now here it is one face colored. Up they go only top face, right? Now here two faces are painted. Am I right or no? One face is not painted. Now here only one face is painted, ma. Green color, only green. Now here, ma. So side is painted. This two faces are painted. Top is not painted. I mean down is not painted. Now here red, front blue, side green. This is three colored painted. I hope so you got my point there. Let's come to the edges there. Which edge contains which color? We'll write. Now see here. Do this edge has any color? No, zero face. I'll write down 0. Now do this edge has any color? No, this is also 0. Do this edge has color? Yes, this edge has its color. Now it is one face painted. Do this edge has color? No, it is zero face painted. Now here this edge has one face painted. This edge has two face painted. This edge has only one face painted. Will you accept with me? This edge has one face painted. This edge also has one face painted. This edge has two face painted. This has two face painted. Now this has one face painted. Hope so you got my point there. Totally 12 done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Am I right or wrong? So let us check there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 done. Now faces, everybody know 3 faces are not painted, 3 faces are painted. By this I can solve the question there. I will solve the first one. Next question you have to solve for me. How many smaller faces do not have any face painted? Normally, where do you observe zero face painted? In the core. I will find out that value first. Core value, core zero face painted is nothing but x minus 2 whole cube. And my x value is equal to 7. So automatically 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 cube is 125. Plus, come to the next one. Now, where do we find out zero face? Let us come to corners. A key corner tha, which is not painted at all. Am I right or wrong? So I'll write down this one. This one is nothing but called corner. How many edges have zero face painted? Zero face painted edges batao by 1, 2, 3 are there. So 3 are there. 3 into x minus 2. And your x value is nothing but equal to 7. Now 7 minus 2, 5. 5 3s are 15. Coming to next one. Now, faces. How many? 3 faces doesn't have any paint, ma. Am I right or wrong, sir? 3 faces. 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. Now, x value is nothing but equal to how much? 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 125 plus 75 is nothing but 100 plus 15 215 plus 1 is equal to how much, ma? Is it 216? Yes, it is 216. 216 cubes doesn't have any paint faced on its surface. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes. Chalo. Let us solve the next question. Now, next question you have to solve for me, right? 2 minutes, try this. Already I cracked the entire data. Now solving this question is very, very easy. Any answer? 50 seconds for. Twenty seconds more. There, क्या हुआ, right? Answer the things there. There is no worry. Right or wrong? क्या हुआ? How many small cubes have exactly one color on them? Normally, where do you observe exactly one color? On the faces. There are only 3 face painted. So I'll find out first that value. Then I'll go back, right? 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2, and my x value is nothing but equal to 7. 5 5s are 25, 75. Apart from this, where do you observe this one face painted? How many corners have? So 1, 2, any other corner? Any other corner? Yes, this corner also has one face painted. Am I right or wrong? 3 corners have. Will you accept with me? Yes, 3 corners have one. So plus 3, these 3 are related to corners. Coming to next one colored faces on the edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 into x minus 2. Automatically 6 into x minus 2. These are nothing but called edges having one face colored. Automatically x is nothing but equal to 7. 7 minus 2, 5, 30. So 105 plus 3, is it 108? Yes, the answer is 108 and your option number A satisfies there. Perfectly done. Now let us try this 23. You can solve this question in 30 seconds, but I'm giving you 2 minutes there. Let's see how many can solve this. $50 seconds more here. $20 seconds more. Any answer? देखो, how many smaller cubes have at most 2 faces? It seems at most 2 faces means, see here, your maximum level is 2 and you cannot go beyond that. Beyond that it is only 3. So I have to write down all the things below 3. Ab dekho, you can easily do this, right? There are totally 343 cubes. In those, if you can subtract this value, automatically that will be the remaining value. How many cubes have 3 face painted? Only one cube has 3 face painted. Remaining all cubes have at most 2 face painted, -1. So my answer is, so see, itna easy ho gaya mere ko. I have done in 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds, right? 342. Or otherwise you can calculate all those values and then also you can write down these things there. Already we have done exactly one color ka value kitna, 0 ka value kitna tha. Do not have 216. I'll write down here. 0 is 216. Exactly one color is 108. Exactly two colored itself you can find out this two color. How many edges are there with two colored? 1, 2, 1, 2, only 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, yes 3. So 3 into x minus 2, right? So this is 7. 7 minus 2, 5, 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus, आप ध्यान से सुनो, any other thing there with two face colored? How many edges are there? Corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 are there. Plus 3. So totally 18. Add this 18 here. 8, 8, 16. 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So 4, 342. You got the same answer there. 0, 1, 2. Same. So this is very, very easy now to solve the question like this. That. So one more question here. Let's see. Let's solve this. This one. So try this. Try to have the diagram there. 2 minutes. I'll solve this question. I'll end the class with this question. Don't worry about it. One minute more.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
the interruption here. So 125 cubes of the same size are arranged in the form of a cube on a table. Then a column of 5 cubes is removed from each of the 4 corners, it seems. So 125 means it is arranged in the format of 5 into 5 into 5. So one column of 5 cubes is removed from each of the 4 corners. Fine, okay. All the exposed faces of the rest of the solid except the face touching the table are colored red, it seems. So see here, I have visualized the diagram here. So with this visualization, we can solve the question fatafat, right? So I'll take down here. So this is the, so you have removed this column. You have removed this column. Second. So how many cubes were removed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have removed this column. Similarly, back side also you have removed 4 columns totally. So totally you have removed 4 into 5, 20 cubes were removed. So how many cubes were remained out of 125? If you remove 20, the remaining cube number will be 105 only. Is this your first question asked? Yes, this is your first question asked. Yes, what is the, how many small cubes are left over? How many small cubes are left over after the removal of the columns is the question asked. How many cubes do not have any colored face, it seems? First of all, where do you observe 0 colored faces? In the core. And this core value can be deduced by this value x minus 2 whole cube. This is 5, x is equal to 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 27. Apart from this, where do you observe? Let's check there. Now you closely observe there. This is the one. Now see, beneath the table, there it completely it will be 0 faced only. So I'll write down like this. Observe here. This face will not be painted. This face will not be painted. 1, 2, 3. Consider it as a bottom. Consider it as bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 cubes will not be painted. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So finally, can I write down this one? 27 plus 9, is it 36? Yes, it is 36 and this is the value there. Then let's come to the next one. How many cubes have only one red face, one face painted? Normally, where do you observe one face painted? On the face of the cube. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down the things there, carefully observe there. In this face, is it one face painted? Yes. Is this one face painted? Yes. Is this one face painted? Yes. This is one face painted? Yes. Perfectly done. How many are there? 4 are there. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, will you get the same 4 here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. Front, back, side, right. Okay. So automatically, how many are there? 4 4s are 16. Apart from that, where do you observe one face painted? You closely observe, this is one face painted top. This is one face painted 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is it 9? Yes, completely 9. 16 plus 9, totally how many cubes have one face painted? 25. Is there any option? Yes, there is an option called C. How many cubes have 2 colored faces each, it seems? Let's find out this value there. 2 colored faces. I'll write down this. Now, is this 2 colored face? Yes. Is this 2 colored face? Yes, because bottom is not painted. This is 2 colored face. Is this 2 colored? No, this is 3 colored, 3 colored. Is this 2 colored? Yes. 2. 2. Accepted. 2. In each face, how many are you observing there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Such are there 4 sides. 4 into 9 is how much? 36. Yes. Apart from that, can you observe anywhere? No. All these sides you can observe there. So your answer is 36. How many cubes have more than 3 colors? Are equal to more than is the question asked. No? Equal to or more than. So where do we observe 3 colored faces? This is a 3 colored face. This is a 3 colored face. Only 2, 4, 6, 8. Totally 8. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And this is your option. So in this way we can solve the cubes very well. Tomorrow we will solve folding and cutting of a cube. That will be very interesting for you. Okay. Chal. I hope so. I am clear up to now. Are there any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can post me in the comment section box, on the community section box, also in the app now. And I am forwarding the PDFs to the community section box also every day. Do check there. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for Plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for Iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can share my free classes with your friends and they can watch my free classes unlocking with my code NLN10. And the price for Plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. We have introduced a new category of 9 months. Do try to subscribe those who are aiming at GATE 2023 exactly. And we have added this community feature, right? So you can ask any doubt in this community, right? I am forwarding notes every day into this communities, right? So do try to use this. And we are going to divide this Unacademy GATE and ESE category into 4 separate subscriptions from June 1st. So those who want to watch the content of all the 6 branches, subscribe now itself by the month end. Right, and this is the price for Iconic 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN for 12 months. But we are giving you 21% drop there for all the categories. Right, we are going to hike the price by up to 20%. Those who are aiming to get the best quality courses with less prices, do try to subscribe before this offer ends. So see here, June 1st, right? And those who are aiming at only test series, right, you can use this GATE Lite subscription for your test series, detailed solutions and performance analysis of your mock test, subject-wise test, right? And if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone to clear your doubt here. Just click the picture there, crop it, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language and get the video solutions within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a go. Coming to the next one, right? So do try to use my special class features, right? So see here, I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions here, which will be damn helpful for the persons who are aiming at very good placements, right? Do try to use this. The interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube here. And do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes. And please do try to hit the like button. Share my classes so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF in the Telegram group, hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.